For the last few years, almost every engineering discussion has been the same: CSC, AI, and ECE. But recently, I have been seeing something interesting. People have started again talking about mechanical, civil, chemical, etc. And many students are asking whether core engineering is actually making a comeback or if it's just another trend. So, in this video, let's forget the hype for a few minutes and look at what is actually happening. Because choosing your branch based on Instagram reels or random opinions is probably one of the biggest mistakes you can make. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: I am not saying core engineering is better than CSC, and I'm definitely not saying that everyone should choose these branches. I'm simply looking at the current trends, reports, and industry changes so you can make a better decision during your counseling. And if these videos are helping you, then consider subscribing because we are very close to 2k subscribers. Now let's first understand why core branches became unpopular in the first place. Around the IT boom, software companies started offering attractive salaries, placements, and became stronger. Coding became the trend, and naturally, most students started running behind CSC. Slowly, people began believing that every other branch had no future. Mechanical was called outdated, and civil was called dead. Chemical was ignored completely, and many students didn't even consider these branches while filling the options. But here's the interesting part: the industry hasn't stopped changing after that. Over the last few years, India has been investing heavily in manufacturing, electronics production, infrastructure, EVs, and semiconductor related industries. New factories are being set up, manufacturing is expanding, and large infrastructure projects continue across the country. This doesn't suddenly mean that every core branch has become the best overnight, but it definitely means these industries still need engineers. That's something many students completely ignore because everyone is looking at software packages. Let's start with the mechanical engineering. This is probably the most underrated branch today. Many people still think mechanical only means working inside a workshop with machines, but that's very old image. Today, mechanical graduates work in automobile companies, EV manufacturing, robotics, aerospace, industrial automation, product design, and manufacturing industries. Now, before we continue, if you're confused about comparing colleges, branches, and preparing your option entry, then this is actually where today's sponsor Right Campus can help. Instead of just predicting a college, it generates a complete prioritized option entry list for you. You enter your details and preferences, and it gives you a structured list that you can use as a reference while filling your options. The regular plan is of rupees 199, but with my coupon code ASHAY50, it comes down to rupees 149. You also get a bonus list through the code provided inside the PDF. There is also an unlimited plan which is of rupees 349, but with my coupon code it becomes rupees 299, which is useful if you want to try different branch combinations, different priorities, or even compare multiple lists before your final option entry. You can also use it to help your friends if required. I'll show you one sample report on the screen right now so you can see how it looks. One important thing: after the payment, just wait for around 5 seconds and the PDF will download automatically. And if you have any issues, then you can tell your problems to this Gmail. They will contact you immediately. The link is in the description, so check it out today itself. Of course, the salaries may not match the top software packages immediately after graduation, but the opportunities are much wider than many students think. Now let's talk about civil engineering. Civil is another branch that gets criticized a lot. But look around you. Highways, metro projects, airports, smart cities, and everything else are still happening across the country. Civil engineers continue to be required for these projects. The challenge is that students expecting huge software-like packages may get disappointed. But if you're genuinely interested in construction, design, and infrastructure, civil is definitely not a dead branch. Next is chemical engineering. This branch is probably one of the least understood. Many students think chemical engineering is only about working in chemical factories, but in reality, graduates also work in pharmaceuticals, oil and gas, and food processing, etc. Again, this isn't a branch for everyone, but calling it useless is simply incorrect. Next is production and industrial engineering. This is also slowly getting more attention because companies today focus a lot on improving manufacturing efficiency, supply chains, and automation quality. As India expands its manufacturing sector, these roles become more important than before. Now, one thing I want to make very clear is that I am not asking you to leave CSC and suddenly join mechanical or civil. That's not the message of this video at all. CSC is still an excellent branch and it will continue to create great opportunities. The problem starts when students reject every other branch without even understanding what those branches actually offer. They're simply following what everyone else is doing. So how should you actually choose? If you're genuinely interested in software development, coding, and technology, then CSC or related branches still makes complete complete sense. But if coding doesn't excite you, or you're more interested in machines, manufacturing, infrastructure, automobiles, or industrial systems, then don't reject core engineering just because someone on the internet called it dead. Spend a few hours understanding the syllabus, placements, higher studies, and career paths before making your final decision. At the end of the day, no branch guarantees success and no branch guarantees failure. Your college matters, your skills matter, your internships matter, and your effort you put in these next 4 years matter much more than simply chasing the most popular branch. So before you fill your option entry, don't follow the crowd blindly. Make a decision based on facts, your interests, and where you actually see yourself working in the future. Now, I want to know your opinion. Do you think core engineering is slowly making a comeback, or do you still believe CSC will continue dominating? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if this video helped you see things from a different perspective, then don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.